Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today we'll learn how to create a Docker image from Docker file and run that one, and we'll remove from the image registry. Okay, we'll, we'll start learning now. So we have here, there are many ways to create a Docker images. One is using the Docker file, one is using the Docker commit, and third method is Docker compose with build context. And fourth is Docker build kit tool. And fifth is a CI/CD pipelines. Using the CI/CD pipeline, we can able to create the Docker image. And finally, the Kaniko is a tool in the Kubernetes native. We can able to create from this also the Docker image. So first we will go to the our Docker image. Okay. So the first one example, I'll show you how to do it. Let us go to the our command prompt. So before doing this one, okay, I recommend you to go to the website for installing a Docker and Docker Compose version. So go to the Docker website to install the Linux version of Docker and Docker Compose. Okay, so after installing, you should just check it Docker -v whether it's installed or not. Okay, and the next is Docker Compose -v. So you can able to see the versions also. If it is version is showing here means the Docker and Docker Compose are installed already. Okay. So let us clear this one first of all, and let us create a one directory. Make directory. Okay. Docker hello. Docker file. Hello Docker file. Okay. So we'll go inside. Hello Docker file. Then we'll create a one file inside touch Docker file without any extension. Okay, then we do use the nano editor. Then we'll just copy this. So this is a Alpine is an image, baseline image. Okay, and we'll copy this one, the Docker file is nano. Okay, then paste. So echo is a command in Linux. So it will ping you hello world whenever you run the image. That main purpose. Okay. So we can able to just minimize here. So from Alpine is the image, and the command is echo hello world. Okay. So Control O and Control X. So we come out of our this one. Okay, nano Docker file. Okay. So now we need to run this one image. So okay, Docker build -t. I'll give any name here. So I given here Docker build minus t hello world image space dot. Dot is required to create an image. Otherwise, it will not create. You can see the dot is there here. Okay. So hello dash world dot image dot. So just enter here to pull the images from the Alpine. So now it is successfully started created the docker hello world image here. Okay. Now to verify this one, docker ps minus a. Now clear docker images. So now you can see hello world image has been started now. It is there, it's stored here, created already. I want to run this one now. To run this one, is okay. I will build now. Way to run this one. Okay. So now to run this one, docker run. Okay. Hello world. Hello world image. Now you can see here the output has come now here. Docker run hello world image. So now we created an image and we ran the image also, hello world image. We got the hello world output. Okay, this is way how to create an image here. Okay, so now docker now it has come here. Okay, that is inside the our container, created container here. It's running the container here. Okay, so now you can able to check. It is not there. Only ps minus it's offline. Container is offline. Okay, now we have to remove the container actually from here. So docker stop. You can use gallant Ben's last line. Copy and paste here. Then enter. Then docker rm paste. So we are removed from the our docker container. Okay, then clear now. Then go to the docker images. Now remove docker rmi alpine. Okay, again docker images. So now we to remove this also. So docker image rmi hello world image. So now you can see here docker images again to it is not there. So how to remove the docker image once created? This is how we can able to remove. Okay.